I love butterflies, and I think they are the perfect fauna complement to my floral spreads. And in this video, I will share with you 2 ideas to create journal pages inspired by butterflies. I'm gonna use these butterflies cutouts from images that I printed from Pinterest, and I am trying to decide which of them I will be using for the first journal page. I have chosen this one, and I position it near to this flower composition that I already have in this page. These pages are prepared with some strokes of acrylics and these in flower embroidery inspired composition, and then I decided to add a butterfly drawing using a brush pen, an ink brush pen, because I want to have this more dramatic look to my butterfly. So I started by drawing the main outline of the butterfly, and then I started to add the details in their wings, slowly filling some parts of the butterfly, trying to look at the image that I have in the left page, and trying to replicate all the details of the other butterfly, because I want that they have like a conversation between them, as they are like as sisters in my page. So besides the butterfly, I also decided to add a tree trunk as an element that connects the 2 butterflies and links the 2 pages together. I slowly fill in the blank spaces of the tree trunk, trying to see in which parts it needs to be thicker than in others. I also decided to add this other tree trunk going in a different direction. And now I'm gonna fill some parts of the page with leaves. I'm using this gel pen, a Jelly Roll gel pen, and what I'm trying to do is to fill the empty space that I still have between the butterflies. And I also sometimes like to overlay my drawings, so I'm gonna to draw some leaves over this floral composition that I already have in my page, and now I'm gonna also add another layer of leaves using a metallic marker. These are smaller leaves than the first ones, and I'm gonna spread them all over the first layer of leaves to get my pages more filled. And then I'm gonna add some details to both butterflies' wings using this neon green gel pen. And I do that in both butterflies, in the drawn butterflies and in the other one, so they can match each other. I also add some details in the center of the wings of the butterflies, also trying to make them match each other. So with that, this first journal page is done, and I am looking for another blank page to start the second spread. And in this one I will also I'm gonna also use some butterfly images, but as these pages are kind of blank, different from the previous one where I have already pre-prepared, this one I'm gonna to add these painted doilies and some butterfly images, trying to create a composition that will be harmonious, considering that the pages that I am work with have different sizes. So I started to gluing down these colored doilies, and by the way, if you are interested to see how I paint these doilies, how I create these effects in these doilies, let me know in the comments, and I can make a new video showing you how I color these doilies. Now I'm going to play with the butterflies and see where I want to position in them, and I play around and finally decided where they should go, where I want them to go, and I start to gluing them down also. And now I want to create an element similar to the one in the first spread that connects all the butterflies in this spread. So I decided to add some branches of leaves again, and in this time in a more contrasting color. I am use this black felt pen to add branches of leaves that comes out from the bottom of the butterflies, and also between their wings, so they are all connecting with each other through these leaves branches. And then I'm gonna also add a second layer of leaves similarly to the first spreads. So the idea are similar between the two spreads, but they are executed differently. So I'm again using a metallic green pen to make the small leaves, and to finalize this spread I'm gonna add some splashes of white acrylic paint to make all things more magical. I hope you have enjoyed these two ideas of exploring butterflies in your journals, that you feel inspired to replicate in your journals, and I see you in the next video. Bye.